Bisusumangid na rin mibubuklat at pipanganan at coffee shops kay Angeles City. Patunay ang mibabawi ng ekonomiya kay magdilidiling highly urbanized city keti Pampanga. Basikin datos na ng Philippine Statistics Authority, miras laking maygit libo reng misarang negosyo anyang kasagsagaran ng pandemya. Dapat katuklunan ng banwang 2022 halos tripli o maygit 3,000 lareng businesses ang memuklat ken Pampanga. Miras neman keng 10.5% in gross domestic product o GDP na ning Angeles anyang 2022.
The economy of City of Angeles grew by 10.5% in 2022 from a 9.1% growth in the previous year. This was an increase in the value of the gross domestic product or the GDP from 119.88 billion pesos.
Kaya may naman kareng top booming industry king syudad in retail, services, food, ampo ing real estate. At pangkeng business tycoon at realtor ay Michael Carlotan. Bayo pa ing pandemic, ikit na na ing masika na ekonomiya ning syudad.
Malaking turnaround was in around 2019, before pandemic. Actually, before pandemic. In an instant, nag-times 2 ang real estate.
Panaligan na ring negosyante ning syudad ang miragdagan la ring connecting roads bang mabilis ing development ka ring idle land ating maragula potensyal king progreso. Agpangkangtan ang gyang ingkarel ang kumpanya pakikwanan ranang makiadwangan sahop. Ang gyang i-donate ropa reng gabu na malyaring maging dalan.
Infrastructure magano din tawag dito mag-boost din, mag-develop din. And then that's why we donated several properties for infrastructure in Angeles City just to help out the LGU in terms of more roads, more accessible more access in Angeles City. So yun very positive. We're looking at a global economy.
Samantala, basiking presentasyon ng City Planning and Development ning Angeles. Metong karing major economic driver daking pisasabyan na road infrastructure ning syudad, ing East-West Link Project o ing development ning Abacan River Connecting Roads. Aking kakaing talasuyo ay Paulo G. Santos, ating pusong makabalen.